Today on AFOL TV, we're building a LEGO concert stage and it starts right now. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. If this is your first time here and you want to learn how to build awesome LEGO creations, start now by subscribing and clicking the bell so you never miss anything. Alright guys, so as mentioned in the opening today, we're doing a LEGO concert stage. We're going to do everything except for the DJ booth. That will be included in an upcoming tutorial, which I'll link up above once it's out. The rest of it though, the speakers and everything will be built today. And what's really cool about the stage is you can customize it to fit your needs and change it to, a rock concert or keep it a DJ or whatever you might need for your own city. So let's get to it. If you're new to the channel, consider subscribing. We release new content every week. And that's it. Hope you guys like the build. We'd appreciate it if you'd like, share, and consider subscribing if you don't already. You can also follow us on Instagram and TikTok as @afol.tv. And again, you can download instructions for our other builds and part files on our site, www.afolstore.com. And lastly, if you have any suggestions on what we should build next, leave them in the comments below. Thanks again, and see you next week.